What's up, guys? Today is the day of my baby shower. So I'm gonna show you the before. I've got my agents working here diligently. Super agent, hello. This is the main chief organizer, and Namuzana there in the background.
And I'm trying to blow the balloons with my MONETISED. So we gotta do some more.
So we're blowing some balloons here. As you can see, everything is all over the place. This is our before. We're gonna show you the after. Tell them to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Comment and subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I'm gonna punch you off.
Yes, that's my boy. So I'm actually on my way to Mr. Price to go get my outfit for the baby shower. As you can see, no, I just want to show them my tummy doesn't fit like under the thing. It's too small, so like it's coming through. This is week 30 what?
36.
32. We still have 6 more weeks to go.
Hey,
It's a lot. It's 1.5 months to go. Anyways, let me go find something to quench at Mr.
Look
Price.
here, guys.
Haha, very fine. On my way to Mr. Price with my belly, and I don't know, nothing else, just myself. So can't really find the colors that I'm looking for, so thought maybe this creamish jersey might work with leggings, or if it's too big then I'll go for this gray one with these boots here. And I thought actually this is a good excuse to get myself a new outfit, so might as well make sure that it coordinates. I think I need a smaller size. This is extra large. What do you guys think of the boot? I think this thing is too long. Needed to be a bit more short, and I think it will look better if it's a bit tighter. So I think let me try the other one, the gray one, because that's a size large and this is extra large. Could still get medium maybe, but medium might be too small and too tight. Yeah, this fits a bit more comfortably. So I think I'll go with this size. Hey guys!
This is your new size now, my sister.
Yes, that's my new size of underwear. Show them.
Okay, there you go. It's the mama panties. Big
let
mama.
me take a video.
Wait, my boy, wait. Okay guys, so just finished making myself up. It's been ages since I've done my makeup. I tried. Then I only thought afterwards, which I should have put blue eyeshadow, not the pink one. But yeah, this is what we're looking like. Then I'm gonna go downstairs and show you the decorations that my sisters did. Part of me was thinking maybe I should go down and be like surprised and say, oh, surprise, baby shower. But it's definitely not a
And I'll
surprise.
hold the camera.
Ooh, this is nice.
Can I?
And my little sister did it all for me.
I still remember.
Thank you.
Oh, you look nice.
Thank you. You see, this is all the decorations. Very nice.
Wait.
So we're gonna do our little photo shoot here before people arrive, so that we have enough time to take all the pictures that we want to take. But this is our smaller indoor baby shower. We've got sprinkles, mixed nuts and raisins, and then some cold meats, and then we're gonna have some bowls also on the side.
You guys, this is not for boys, only for girls and ladies. So you guys, my auntie is trying to take a picture, and her is trying to take a picture of my auntie. So she's already making some things, and she's holding the baby right now. So she is watching my auntie. so my auntie won't make anything dangerous. And that's my auntie. So keep watching. Out.
Wow, you're so good at commentating.
And subscribe. See you.
My sister.
Alright, so we just have some mommy trivia questions in here. If you answer them correctly, that's great, but if you don't, then you pay 10 rand. Okay. So you just pick one question from this.
Woo!
You should have typed your.
Read it for us, please.
Who is better in the kitchen? Loreen is better.
Obviously, I'm better in the kitchen.
No, there you go.
Obviously, I'm better in the kitchen.
This one was easy.
That's why you said one first. Who wants to go second? I'll go second. Pick one.
People get an easy question. Let me easy.
What is yours? Tell us, my sister.
Where was the first place they had sex?
Tell us, my sister. Tell us. Tell us. This one. If someone gets this one right, I'll give them 100 rand actually.
And then I'll tell you.
Alright. Yeah.
But after she answers,
Alright.
no, let's
If you get it wrong, you pay. But if you get it right,
No. Sex.
wait.
Zimbabwe.
Wait.
Wait. Maybe it needs to be a bit more specific.
I Bella, this one it must be specific on the dot.
On the dot.
I should not. No, this one I'll pass the next person. Maybe.
Okay, 10 rand.
Alright.
So is it passed around until someone gets it right?
I guess we should,
I
yeah.
know.
Alright, tell us.
At res.
No.
That is wrong.
No. No, my sister. Nipu, you said you know, Nje. You said you know, my sister.
I said I can guess.
Hey, get up here.
I think in the car.
No. No, it wasn't. It wasn't.
Yeah?
Kuluma phela.
I'm not sure.
Of course, you can't be sure, but 10 rand you can be sure of getting it.
Can I guess 4 answers?
One answer. If you guess 4 answers, it's 40 rand if they're all wrong.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Alright.
It's between where you are living.
Ngapi?
Then I
Esopon hayi.
Esopon can't be Esopon. Should have been in the car.
Esopon sasingavunyelwa le.
Mkaya.
Hayi.
So we two. La buka ihotelo yilo.
No.
3, wait.
Yo, you guys are struggling.
On top of a tree.
No. Part 2. No.
Part what?
Not part 2.
What yet?
Ah, very sibadala very. Seriously? Yes.
Okay.
Serious. No. 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 Phela so 30 rand yona leyo ke lokhu get. Yeah.
Send this on my one test. Lapho ohlala khona.
Nga.
Like it's not a reason. Usuhlala wet.
Nga.
Wenze temporary teaching or something.
Themba no lahlekile my sister.
But I know ukuthi wahlala wet whatever.
Lahlekile. But ulahlekile phela. Alright, you guys don't know me, Shem. You don't know. I won't tell you because if you don't know, it means you don't know me. Yeah. Alright, let me tell you the story.
Right. We abstained for a very long time.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just checking.
We have stayed for a very long time. Not because of me, but because my husband is a principled man. Intact. Yeah.
Right.
Yes, he was a virgin. So because of that, go visit my sister. So because of that, the plan was we are not going to sleep together until we get married. Yeah.
Wow.
So we stayed for a very long time, you know. And then it so happened, I don't even remember how it, oh, something happened. No, just give us all the details. Just ladies, Singer, my ladies, just give us all the details. So yeah, actually, I was staying in this little dingy room. Bellevue. Bellevue. Yes. So I had this little back room where I stayed. I knew that to be a place where you were staying by yourself somehow.
A bed or anything like
Mattress.
So I didn't have a bed or anything. I just had like a single frame, so a metal frame. Ganema card box. Card boxes, guys. And then blankets. So that's where we did it. But then like there were ants and stuff. Then we put the blanket on the floor. It was a disaster. You know, it was just that way. But was it even worth it? I mean, after all that waiting, then to do it in a place full of ants. So that was end of part 3. Part 3. Yeah.
You did well.
Yeah.
He did well. He did well. He did well.
Part 3 was university
Attachment.
yeah.
All right, guys. Oh, I should have made you guys pay to hear that story. But anyways, all right.
But we were paying them by failing to answer.
All right. Next question.
Which parent will likely enforce rules? Oh, yes.
Who?
Likely enforce rules?
Who?
You.
No.
You are all 60.
No. Not with the boy, no. If it was a girl, yes.
Also, this is a very broad
Yeah. If it was a girl.
No, sorry to back.
Yeah. But haven't I told you guys already?
Which parent is likely to enforce rules? It just depends on how you
No.
I think it's gonna be Shosan, look at how he kept himself and like imagine I'm gonna do it.
What rules, guys? They ask you, you know.
Says will be more nervous when the labor starts.
Who's likely to be
Let me think.
I think it's yeukai.
Yeah, it will probably be me. Yeah. Yeah, it will probably be me. Yeah.
She's already nervous.
Yeah.
What is the exact due date of the baby?
Yeah, we know the due date. What is the due date?
Also, please tell us. Yeah.
What is the due date? Baby shower planner. Tell us. Tell us.
We're not paying advance.
Tell us. Tell us, my sister. What is it? Yes. Silile. 28.
On average, how many weeks does a pregnant?
That's tough for you, my sister Shen.
Does a pregnancy last?
On
Yeah.
average, I'm gonna write it down. I'm so excited.
Magutonyorwa.
No.
She doesn't know. We write it. Guess.
The right one.
You'll be surprised if mothers don't know yet.
Guess.
8 weeks.
Yo, yo.
40 weeks.
It's 40 weeks, auntie. 40. All right, who's going next?
What city was you born?
Ah, that's easy.
Very easy.
Ah, no, that's wrong.
No, that's wrong.
Who's trying? Harare.
Was she born in?
Harare. Melu, pull up my socks.
What is your occupation?
Oh, no, good for you.
Who was pickier when it came to choosing a name?
Yeah, it was you. It was you.
Is it?
Oh, I don't know with this. Oh, this is too generic. Oh, this is just
Okay.
Oh no, and we were just coming up with name after name and then shooting it down.
All right. Yeah.
In any language, that word is prohibited.
Hey guys, it's been a very busy day, but finally we have come to the end of the baby shower. I've got Mongezi here. Are you gonna
Mongezi,
Are you gonna
smile, say something.
He wants those balloons there at the very top, can you see? And no one can reach them because they are so far up.
Bigger than me.
They're so far up, so he's mad.
You're bigger than me. You can
He's mad that he can't have
I
them.
can't.
You can.
How do I reach out there?
How old are you?
Can I finish my video, guys?
You're not.
I'm 6.
No, you're
Can I finish my video? So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, don't be shy to subscribe to my channel. Find me on Instagram at yeukai.loreen. Leave me a nice comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.